Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Pellionia repens, a charming and unique trailing plant that brings a touch of natural beauty to your indoor garden. But before we embark on this green adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Pellionia repens, commonly known as trailing watermelon begonia or raindrop, is a delightful and low-maintenance trailing houseplant that adds a charm to indoor spaces. While its exact native habitat is not well documented, it is believed to be native to Central and South America. What sets Pellionia repens apart is its distinctively patterned leaves. The foliage is adorned with intricate silver-green veins that resemble the markings found on watermelon rinds, giving it the common name trailing watermelon begonia. These markings, along with its delicate cascading growth habit, make it a visually appealing choice for hanging basket or as a trailing accent in indoor gardens. Additionally, it is relatively easy to propagate from cuttings, allowing plant enthusiasts to share its beauty with others. This plant thrives in bright indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with filtered sunlight. It prefers well-draining potting mix and should be watered when the top inch of soil feels slightly dry. Ensure that the pot has proper drainage to prevent overwatering. When companion planting with Pellionia repens, consider other trailing or vining plants like string of pearls, pothos, or wandering Jew to create lush and textured arrangements that thrive in similar indoor conditions. Its unique trailing nature and heart-shaped leaves make it an excellent choice for hanging baskets, as a trailing accent in potted arrangements, or even as a ground cover in terrariums. This plant adds a touch of natural elegance to your living space, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of plants. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your indoor garden flourish and may your Pellionia repens grace your living space with its unique charm and natural beauty. Farewell and happy growing.